So we've got the lovely security zip on the top. You can see that everything's been fitted in here nice and easy, but I have packed it pretty full. And I've kind of done it as a bag for somebody who's got one child. You could have a second child that's older, in which case you're probably going to need some tech to keep them entertained. I've got a Kindle here, just in case I do for one chance in my lifetime have some time to read. And then looking inside here, we can see all the little bits. So we've got a dog clip here, which is a really great place to hang a dummy for easy access when you need to grab it. You don't want them screaming and you're not being able to find what you need really quickly. And then here we've got our non-padded changing mat. This folds up really nice and small, so it's perfect to go into the MIDI Lennoxes or into the MIDI Ambers. And we've got a muslin, we've got some nappies. This is another set of nappies and wipes. So just to show you how much you can fit in really, this is our multi-use zip top bag. The lining on the Kerikit and on the bag is waterproof. It's nice and light as well, so you can find everything really easily. But this is great if you just want to grab and go to the toilet, give it to your partner so that they can take it with them to the toilet and then pop it back in the bag afterwards. And then inside again, we can still see we've got loads of room with lots of little things inside. So we've got a small toy, we've got a soother, we've got a spare set of clothes at the bottom, and then we've got the insulated bottle holder. So at this moment, I've put one baby bottle in. You could put one on either side, but equally, if you wanted to have easy access to grab it quickly, you could pop it on the outside instead. On the other side, I've got myself hydrated with my 16-ounce bottle. And then at the front here, I've got easy access to my purse. Today I'm carrying the little poppy. It fits in there really nicely. You've got the little wrist loop if you need it. Equally, what you can do is unclip it, pop it inside the bag and clip this piece onto either the zip puller or onto this section here, and it just gives you added security to know that no one's going to get into the bag and be able to take your purse off and run away with it. On this side I've just got a few things. I've got some hand cream and I've got my comb, and on the back, my security pocket here, I've got my phone, so I'm ready to go. That's pretty much it. You can see you can pack loads into the MIDI. I'm now going to switch it over and I'm going to show you how we can use the black croc version for business. And now it's a business bag. So you can use it for everyday use. You can take it out for work. Still has a nice security zip at the top. So we're just going to slide that open and reveal what we've got inside. So today I'm taking my iPad out with me. I do most of my work on that. If you needed to fit a small laptop in here, you could. I'm going to show you that in just a second. I've got my notepad. This is the slightly larger laptop. That would slide in there as well. I think it's only a small one, but it just goes to show you could fit a little laptop in there if you needed to. Diving in here now, I'm using the zip top bag today for my makeup. If I want to go out later on this evening, it allows me to freshen up really quickly. I've got some toiletries in there. Again, machine washable and waterproof. And then on the inside here, I've got my quick access items. So I've got some hand cream, got a comb, got some lipstick and a nail file. I've got my glasses in here as well. I've got my poppy, this time on a nice long tassel, so nobody can take it. And I've got my keys hanging here as well. So no more lost keys, which I think is amazing. Diving in here, we've got a little place to put our earphones, so that keeps them out of the way. And I've also got my hair bubbles. Finally, I've got a place in here to put my snacks so that I'm always prepared wherever I go in case I get really hungry. And at the back section here is a perfect little pocket to put my medication. And I've got more hair bubbles in there as well. You can never have too many hair bubbles. Spinning the bag round to the back, that's my security pocket. So in here I've got my phone. I've also got my pen, which is just over here. So if I need to do anything quickly, I always have a pen at hand. Just think it's really, really handy to always have one in your bag. Outside we've got insulated bottle holders. So today I've got my hydration bottle here. It's insulated, it can sit in there. And basically, yeah, that's it. It's a perfect bag for taking me out throughout the day. It's got all the things that I need in it. I can wear it as a backpack, as a crossbody, as a shoulder bag. And that was our packing video today, showing you this as a business bag instead.